So we got a Mazda 6. We got a flashing tire light. Let's start this baby up. We got a flashing tire light. You see it right there? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna scan the tires. Okay, I got my scan tool here. So we're gonna check each tire, which sensor is not giving us a signal. Let's see, we already checked before. I changed one sensor because it's broken, but we're gonna do another one now. Mazda 6, and this is a 09, so it's between 5 and 13. 315 is the frequency. We're gonna scan all the sensors. So we're gonna go to this one here. So let's see if there's any signal here. So it should have picked up by now. So there's nothing here. The sensor's got to be dead. Let's go to another one. There you go. So that sensor is good. We're gonna go to the other side and check this one here. Oh, immediately picked up. This sensor is good. Battery's okay. We're gonna go to this guy, right? This is the new. I changed this one right here, so you can see it's new. So we got a bad sensor on this wheel. We'll give it another attempt. Let's press test, and there's no signal here. So all I need to do is align this arrow to the tire right where the sensor is. It should pick up. Okay, so this sensor is dead. It does not trigger, does not pick up. So that's the reason why our light is on. So we're gonna remove this wheel and replace the sensor and program the ID. Okay, so we broke the bead of the tire. The sensor's in here. What I like to do is I like to grab the sensor. If you're lucky, the valve will turn and loosen itself, and sometimes you would have to break it, but this one came out. So I'm gonna push this guy down. Don't let the sensor drop. Then you have to dismount the whole tire. Clean the area right here where the sensor is gonna sit. Make sure it's clean in the bottom. Usually it's never dirty like that in the bottom or the top, but you do need to clean a bit. So what I like to do is spray some of this stuff in here. Water, liquid, detergent, anything you want to do. Just get that rust or debris, dirt scraped up a bit. I'm gonna go around. So that should be it. I'm sorry if I keep going around. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this on. We're gonna take our sensor off. So this is the sensor I'm using. These are universal sensors. There's a part number here. 1743042. Okay, 3402. 43042. 17. Let me read that. Part number 17-43042. Okay, 315 is the frequency. So you do need to program in each sensor. There's an ID in the computer, so it's only gonna pick up that ID. So the ID is located right here. CD293FD0. That's the ID there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back into our Mazda. Same thing. It's not gonna copy a sensor, but because it's not gonna copy because this sensor is dead. Because usually I could pick up the ID from there, but what we'll do is we'll program a new program in Cradle. Okay, but wait, we went too fast there. So we're gonna go back. Copy a sensor. We're gonna put input ID. So we're gonna go C. Hopefully the camera can see there. Let me see if my camera is picking up anything. C D. Something hard for the camera to see. 2 9 3 F D 0. There's no oil in there option, so it's gotta be a 0 at the end. So let's check the sensor. CD 29 3FD 0. Okay, let's check one more time. CD 29 3F D0. My eye's kind of burning. We're gonna put this sensor in here in the cradle. We're gonna lock it up, and we're gonna press enter. Programming cradle. It's gonna flash it. And it will give this sensor a new ID, the same ID as the other sensor. So let's check. CD 2933FD0. Perfect. This sensor is done. We're gonna remove this little guy. So there's a couple of this valve has a couple of seals. So these little washers, it has a seal there, so make sure that seal sits properly. So what I want to do is I want to get everything properly, and just give me a moment here. Let me remove my stuff here, and I'm gonna put this here so it's ready for me. So what I like to do here is, this shouldn't be that difficult to do, so just be careful with your hands when you're putting the sensor in here. So this guy goes in there. Okay, and the two washers, put them somewhere far like an idiot. So the plastic one goes first, and then the metal one, and then this little guy goes there. So I am gonna try to catch some threads here. So make sure I'm not gonna tighten it with this, so make sure you tighten it properly. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna tighten this up, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna put pressure in it, and then we're gonna look at the car. So we're completed. I took the car for a drive, because you do have to drive a little bit and the light will go away after it picks up. But check this out. So if the light flashes, we're gonna go for a spin, but the light should be off because I still got one of the sensors that was working. It's old, but it was broken. But there you go, the light is gone. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and don't forget to throw some donation to the channel. I am injured right now, trying to do some videos. I'm in worst condition of my life, so anything helps. PayPal is there, and YouTube stickers is always an option. Thank you guys, and hopefully this video helped you guys out.